guys, okay, so for this one project we were able to choose whichever template we wanted. I did go with the template that we had for last week in order to build my website design. I wanted to make this website look exactly like what I would be, just so that you can see what my portfolio is and what I am like. So I did decide to go with this polka dot background, as well as change up the layout. Before I had two sides towards this layout. Now we just have the slideshow and the description of which each picture pretty much represents. So for example, for this past one, we would have Alexandria. You are able to click on those pictures, or if not, you can go ahead and click on those shadows. This is for my Passion Week, my friend Hobby. If you have it up, of course you can go ahead and see it a little bit better. And of course you can use the arrows a bit more. I did want to go with green, just because I think that that was a color that would actually stand out really well. And I chose to do several pages, which this first one is going to be my friend Rose. For this one, what I did was that I changed the background. I pretty much went, let's see, let me go back to editor. For this, what I did was that I went into change page background, then I went into the image, and I was able to choose whichever picture I wanted. In order to make it seem like, perfectly put together, I placed it on freeze, and I placed the position in the back, and the bottom in the center, just so that way you could go ahead and look at the picture in the background a little bit better. And for this photo shoot, I did include a collage of the pictures that I had with her. Let's see, now we can go ahead and go towards my Ashley and Pups. I also decided to use a transition. I just decided to use a horizontal. Okay, so for this one, just because I couldn't see the background as much, but I still wanted to have it a little bit opaque, I just decided to move the pictures a bit down so that you could still see what the background picture looked like. And here's my little collage. Then we have my Fashion Week's photo shoot. Again, another background picture. And then you can go ahead and just scroll down and see the pictures that I took. I really enjoyed doing this collage because I felt like it was really me. And this is my friend Hobby and Gisela. These are my two friends. Let's see, for my background info, or for my other tab, I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys a bit more of who I am and what I do. So I also wanted to go ahead and give you my contact information. And I wanted to, of course, be able to have everybody look into this. Since of course, again, it is my portfolio. Oh, and I did a little bit of an animation and for the header text. So yeah, this is basically what I have right now. And well, this is pretty much this was a very fun project. I hope that you guys can go ahead and give me your criticism. Of course, any CC would definitely help as always. And I'm definitely looking forward towards viewing what you guys have and giving you my CC. So thank you so much for everything, guys. Thank you so much for taking your time to look into my stuff, and have a great day.